Hello, everyone, and welcome to another vlog. And I'm sure that, like me, your sweet tooth must also be drooling over those sweet delicacies. So, on the 22nd of January, Acropolis Mall, in association with T2, have inaugurated the third leg of Mishti Magic in the Acropolis Mall area. This year, this event is organized for 5 days from the 22nd of January to the 26th of January, hosting some of the biggest names of sweets in this city. Located right at the heart of the city, it will be very easy for you to reach this place, and I will also mention all the details below in the description of the different ways you can reach Acropolis Mall and enjoy this event. You can find 13 of the major sweet or mishti specialists the city has to offer in this place, and I am sure you will not be disappointed. From traditional Mughlai sweets to the traditional Bengali sweets and to a vast range of fusion sweets that the new generation of sweet makers are bringing into existence are all available here. Acropolis Mall have been innovating and organizing varieties of festivals for the guests for over 5 years now. Mishti Masti has been a great success last year, and this year it has coincided with the holiday season in the last week of January. And if you are in the city at this time of the year, this is the perfect time to have the best sweets that the city has to offer. And that is the reason Acropolis Mall management has specially handcrafted this event and picked the best of the best sweet makers of the city to give you a shopping experience that you will never forget. The term Mishti is so deep rooted in our culture that it's almost impossible to separate us from Mishti. And I will just show you my recommendations from this event. The first one is this Nolen Gurer mousse from Yashoda Mishtanno Bhandar. This was by far the best thing I have had recently.
না না মেখে কেটে কেটে করা হয়েছে এই কাঁচাগোল্লা আর এটা স্পেশাল ইনফিউজ উইথ একবার ট্রাই করুন স্যার মানে আপনিও হবেন ভেতরে কামড় দেবেন পুরো গুড়ের ওই ফ্লেভারটা মেল্ট করে আসবে
আচ্ছা ওকে
and this is baked kachagolla
okay
same item baked
acha it was very nice
thank you sir.
Next on my list of recommendation is this kachagolla, which was dipped in Nolen Gur from Narayan, and this was literally amazing. I have had many kachagollas in my life, but this was on a different level.
This takes 18 hours of preparation. And
What is the preparation for 18 hours?
So that's a little secret.
No, I mean it goes under processing.
It undergoes processing. There's no added color. There's no added preservatives.
Okay.
And the milk is caramelized basically.
Okay.
What it's called is mini ashtrapagana. So the milk is caramelized. That's how the color. That's how it's been named the Lal Mishti Doi.
Okay.
Honestly, if I had the abilities or the appetite to taste each and every sweet in this event, I would have not stopped myself from doing so. But with the limited time that we had for the event, we had an awesome experience, and we had done some packing also, which we had distributed to our guests. And I can assure you that this is one of the best managed events in the city that I have been to recently. So if you are free today, that is the 25th of January, or the 26th of January, that is tomorrow, which is a holiday, please make sure you drop in here and enjoy the beautiful experience this place is offering, along with a shopping spree from the Acropolis Mall. Just a few more points I would like to add. This event is starting from the 12 p.m. in the day and it goes on till 9 p.m. in the evening. And you can use all types of credit cards or debit cards. All are accepted here as well as cash. So what you need to do is that you will walk in there, you will select the item or the sweet that you want to taste or have, and understand what is the actual cost of that sweet or the sweets that you want to try, and you have to go and take the same amount of token and then purchase the sweets. So that's how they have simplified the process, that the sweet makers or the employees working there are not handling the cash, to give you the maximum security and safety. So enjoy watching the rest of the video. If you have any questions, please make sure you comment me and ask me in this video. I will be more than happy to help. And if there is anything else, any suggestions or remarks that you want to share about this video, I would love to read that. So till the next time, take care of yourself and have a great day.